Hello Yatris, welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. I'm Yatri Chauhan. So today I'm go through how to deploy our web application on Azure Container Apps with our Docker image, which we built in the last video. So check it out the first, whatever I'm go through the Docker Hub, and we already push the image into our account. So I will quickly showcase it to you. So this is our Docker Hub where we push the image named Yatri-image. So we are just use this image to deploy our web application on container apps. So let's get start with our deployment. So before you just join us on the DevOps Yatri and link is given in the description. So now I'm quickly create one container app and then push our code and let's start. Click on the container apps. Either you can search directly here container apps. So click here and let's create one. So click on the container apps first. Now just select your subscription. If you are a student, then you able to get $100 free. And how? The link is given in the description also. The one is blog. And second, if you have a free Azure account, then you can just select that one. I have one subscription account, so I'm just select with one. And second one, I need to create a one resource group to deploy our web application. Let's create a new one and I'm quickly give one name, container resource group, click OK and container app name. So I'm giving that it is. And the next one, we need to select the deployment source, either container image, either source code or artifact. In our case, I'm using the Docker file. So I'm quickly showcase it to you the Docker file, how it looks like and what we built in the last video. So here you can see this is a Docker image which we are using from Node.js and expose the port 5173 and nothing much about the Docker file. Now, if you understood it, check it out the last three videos, giving the link in the description and the I button also. So let's move forward. Here, I'm selecting the container image and the next one is about our region. Let's say I'm selecting the India, yeah, South India right now from Bengaluru right now. So South India and here container app environment. So we need to create one environment to run our container. Now just by default, you can just choice or you can create a new one. I suggest create a new one. Fine. Why I just click on the new environment, nothing else. Next container and here let's scroll up. If you want to start without any Docker file, you can quickly go through the user quick start image. Then we click here. You can see the by default image is given by Azure. So no worries about anything if you are just start with your learning stage. So I'm just uncheck it and I'm selecting Docker Hub where our image actually stored. So selecting the Docker Hub, select a public just because of we push the image as a publicly, not a privately. And the third one is the login server. We use docker.io. This is a by default. So keep as it is. And here going to give the image and tag. So first give your username of your Docker Hub account. How you can get it the username? Go to your account, go to your Docker Hub, click on the profile, and this is your username. Just copy this, and after copy this, you can just copy this image name, right? So now I'm just giving key Yatri hyphen image and colon tag. We need to give the tag. That in my case, this is the latest one. Now next one, we are just nothing to do. We don't have a customize command, so I'm not putting down anything. And next is about development stack. It's not in my case Java or .NET. In my case, this is the Node.js, so I'm not putting down anything also. And here, whatever you need to choice, consumption base and CPU and a memory. If you want more, you can select any one. Right now, I'm just keeping as it is 1 and 0.5 CPU. And here environment variables, if you have a .env files in your application, you can select either you can just give the env environment and values. Just go to the next one, Ingress. Here we need to enable our HTTP to access our application first. So Ingress is nothing but is allow you to access your application within your virtual network either publicly. Correct? We are going to deploy our application on HTTPS. So that's why we need to enable it. Either if you are using TCP, let's say in any game server or any particular server side communication side, also you need to enable it. Now I'm just go with accepting traffic from anywhere just because of I want to access it from my any IP address. Correct? So this is the external source. So click on the accepting traffic from anywhere. Then this is a HTTP in my case. Here you can just click on the auto and port address. Here you need to give the port which you expose in the Docker file. So in my case, this is a 5173, and other things you need to do nothing. Keep as it is, and I just quickly create it, and within a few seconds it will be review our all configurations, and now it's the past, so I don't have any errors as of now. So click on the create, just review it one time, right? So you are actually figure it out, is it correct or not. After, click on the create, and it takes maybe around 4 to 5 minutes as per my last deployment. So just wait, I will back again after the deployment. So you can see now our deployment is completely successful. So let's get, click on the go to resources. Okay, click on the go to resources, and then you able to see the container app information. Here is the application URL. Which is our publicly accessible. You can share it with anyone to showcase your website. So I'm just click on the website, and it's loading now. I hope it will be loading as fast as possible. So I will quickly go through it once. So till it's loading, just hit subscribe and hit the like button. As you can see, this is our application which is currently live using our Azure Container app. So that was done. That was too easy. So this is very simple. Now next video, I'm go through Azure CLI, how you can deploy the same way via Azure CLI without our using Azure portal. So this is our next video. Now till yet, best of luck, and just give me in the comment box, are we able to deploy or not? The link is given in the description. Check it out, the source code which is open now to everyone. Bye bye and see you.